this video, I'll show you how you can fix VAC was unable to verify your game session error in Counter-Strike 2. Now the way that we can fix this is first we want to try and come down here. From in here you want to search for Task Manager. In Task Manager go to Details, sort by the name, so click here, and then press anywhere and press S. Then in here what we want to look for is anything called Steam. So everything that's Steam related, you want to end the task on all of them. So now that Steam is completely closed down, what you want to do is you want to find Steam. So just search for it, or on your desktop, right click, open file location, right click again and open file location, and then find the steam.exe. In here you want to right click and go to properties, come to compatibility, and you want to activate the run this program as an administrator. Now I also have this one ticked, but you don't really need to do this, but you can still try this if you want to see if it works with that. But first just try with administrator. If it still doesn't work, try with this one as well. Now once you've done that, you could check if it works. If it still doesn't, you can go to Steam library, and in here you can find CS2. Boom, here, right click on it, go to the properties, and then in here go to installed files and verify integrity of game files. Now if that still doesn't work, the last thing we can try is to allow it through our firewall. So come here and search for Windows Firewall, open up this one, allow an app or feature, press change settings, and then look if you have CS2 in here. Now if you don't find it, you can open up Steam, right click on it, go to manage and browse local files. Then in here we want to choose game, bin, Windows 64 or Windows 32, and then you should press up here, Control C, go on here and allow another app, browse, press up here and Control V, press enter, and in here you should see the CS2. So press open, add, and it should be right here. Then you want to make sure that this one is ticked, as well as private and public are ticked. Now for some reason you can also add CSGO instead of CS2 in here, and it will have the same effect. So if this doesn't work with the CS2, try and add the CSGO, which is also in this folder somewhere. Then press OK, close it down, and then try and close down Steam and launch it again. Now I really hope any of these help fix the issue. If they did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.